हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्पीक स्मार्ट लर्नर्स। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो या फिर अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर दो। In this video, I am delighted to share a collection of essential daily use sentences in English with their corresponding Hindi translation. These sentences play a pivotal role in our everyday lives and interactions. Whether you aim to enhance your communication abilities or simply navigate daily conversation with ease, familiarizing yourself with these phrases is highly beneficial. Our first sentence, wake up please, जिसकी हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन है उठो कृपया। Wake up please, wake up please. Our next sentence, wash your hands, wash your hands, हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Eat your dinner, eat your dinner, अपना खाना खाओ। Study harder now, study harder now, अब और ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करो। Study harder now. Clean your room, clean your room, अपना कमरा साफ करो। Clean your room. Listen to me, listen to me, मेरी बात सुनो। Close the door, close the door, दरवाज़ा बंद करो। Close the door. Turn off the TV, turn off the TV, टीवी बंद करो। Help me please, help me please, मेरी मदद करो कृपया। Wait for me, wait for me, मेरे लिए रुको। Wait for me. Don't be late, don't be late, देर मत करो। Pay attention, pay attention, ध्यान दो। Speak more slowly, speak more slowly, धीरे बोलो। Drive carefully, सावधानी से चलाओ। Drive carefully, drive carefully. Sit down please, sit down please, बैठो कृपया। Sit down please. Stand up straight, stand up straight, सीधे खड़े हो जाओ। Stand up straight. Don't touch that, don't touch that, उसे मत छूना। Don't touch that. Think before speaking, think before speaking, बोलने से पहले सोचो। Think before speaking. Open the window, open the window, खिड़की खोलो। Open the window. Read this book, इस किताब को पढ़ो। Read this book. Wait your turn, wait your turn, अपनी बारी का इंतजार करो। Wait your turn. Respect your elders, respect your elders. Don't be rude, don't be rude. Don't interrupt, don't interrupt, बात मत तोड़ो। Take a deep breath, take a deep breath, गहरी सांस लो। Take a deep breath. Be polite please, be polite please, कृपया शिष्ट रहो। Be polite please. Apologize to her, apologize to her, उससे माफ़ी मांगो। Apologize to her. Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.